Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Setting up total wireless home internet is one of the final steps before you can start connecting your devices and using your new service. While the activation process is usually straightforward, it's important to complete each stage in the correct order to ensure the total wireless home internet gateway communicates properly with the network. Things like SIM recognition, gateway startup, and activation can all affect whether the service comes online successfully. The good part is that most users can complete the setup in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you the simple steps to activate total wireless home internet and get connected. Try this. Step 1. Connect power to the total wireless home internet gateway. Step 2. Turn on the total wireless home internet gateway. Step 3. Check signal lights on the total wireless home internet gateway. Step 4. Complete activation for the total wireless home internet gateway. Step 5. Connect a device to the total wireless home internet gateway. Step 6. Test internet access through the total wireless home internet gateway.